Hi everyone. So this is just a brief instructional video on the email etiquette assignment. Hopefully you have watched the orientation video, you did the introduce yourself assignment, you have done the readiness test. So after you've done that, now you should be doing the email etiquette. So on the email etiquette, there's going to be a page that it's going to basically give you some information. Actually, it's a couple pages. It's like a little slideshow. So what you're going to do is you are going to click through all of these slides, and I want to say, yep, there's 13. So there's 13 slides. So you're going to click through all of these slides, and it's going to just give you some tips on email etiquette and what you should and shouldn't do pertaining to your email. So once you do that, you look through all those slides, all of those slides, then you are going to click on this email etiquette assignment. So once you click on that assignment, you're going to open it. And for this assignment, it's really important. I want to tell you there's two things that you must do. Okay. So it's not supposed to be up there. So for this assignment, there's two things that you must do. Number one is that you are basically going to type out an email to me. So you're going to like start an email and you are going to add all of this information to that email. So you're going to include your full name, your nickname or what you like to be called, your parent or guardians, whoever you're living with or whoever's responsible for you, the best phone number to reach you and to indicate if it's a cell phone or a home phone, the best number to reach whoever you're living with, your guardian or whoever that may be. Also, if it's okay to text you or not text you, um, or your parent or guardian, whoever the person is that you listed. And then the last thing is there anything I need to know about you that would make you more successful in English class? Or anything you feel I should know about you personally? So, and this can be anything you want to tell me. So, like if you struggle with reading, you can tell me that. If you hate writing, you can tell me that. If you are in a living situation where maybe you're staying with family, you don't really have a house right now, and you think that that's going to have an effect on your learning in some way, you can tell me that information. If you're going through something where maybe someone has just passed away in your family, going through a really rough time right now, and you're just not motivated, and that would let me see like maybe why you might be struggling a little bit in class or a reason why you would maybe not be motivated to do something. Um, that's something that if you feel comfortable enough to tell me, you're absolutely willing to do that. If you are like an all-star like soccer player, dancer, basketball player, and you travel a ton and you are going to be doing your work a little more sporadically because of your travel schedule, which we've had in the past, those are things that you could tell me. Um, I had a student whose sister is training for the Olympics for gymnastics. So they continually are traveling and they're not in Ohio very often. A lot of times they're in Chicago. So those are things that I would probably want to know as your teacher because it gives me insight into how you're working and kind of things that you're doing. So make sure that if there's anything that you feel I need to know, you let me know about it, okay? So what you're going to do to get credit for this assignment, you have to send me the email. That's number one. Before you send the email, what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste the actual email. You can do a screenshot, you can do pictures, whatever you want to do. If you just want to copy and paste it, that is absolutely fine. But you are going to copy and paste that into the actual assignment. Okay, so when you post or upload an assignment, you don't have to do it in a Word document. You don't have to do it in an attachment. If you want to, you can. It's for me, it's much easier if you don't do it in an attachment for this. Everything else is going to be an attachment, but for this, if you just want to put it in like the message area, you're more than welcome to do that. And then you're going to have it attached to the Dropbox. That's how you're going to get your grade. If you just send me an email, that's not attached to the Dropbox, which down here is where your grade is attached to this Dropbox. So if you do not copy and paste your actual email, then I am not going to have the attachment or the connection for you to get your grade. So it has to be sent in an email. It also has to be uploaded to the Dropbox. Okay, so those are the two things that have to happen. Okay, so pretty easy assignment. Just more information for me to get to know you a little bit better and some contact information in case I would need to contact you later on in the school year for any reason. But that's it. If you have any questions about any of this, please let me know.